Let's talk buffalo wings. They're the life of the party, a delicious snack, a messy finger-licking good time. But finding the perfect wing recipe, that's a quest. Everyone wants that crispy skin and juicy meat, coated in a sauce that's perfectly tangy and spicy. We're going to explore the world of buffalo wings together. Get ready to learn the secrets to making amazing wings at home. From choosing the right wing to mastering different cooking techniques, we'll cover it all. By the end of this journey, you'll be a wing master. You'll be able to impress your friends and family with wings that are better than anything you can order out. So, are you ready to get cooking? Let's go. Not all chicken wings are created equal. You've got options at the grocery store, and knowing the difference is key to wing success. The two main types are drumettes and flats. Drumettes are the small, drumstick-shaped part of the wing. They're all meat, making them perfect for handheld snacking. Flats are the flatter, triangular part of the wing. They have a bit more skin, which gets incredibly crispy when cooked right. Many people prefer a mix of both for variety. Drumettes offer that satisfying bite of juicy meat. Flats deliver that irresistible crispy skin. The choice is yours. Before we cook, we need to prep. Pat your wings dry with paper towels. This helps them crisp up nicely. Next comes the seasoning. A simple mix of salt and pepper works wonders. But don't be afraid to get creative. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, these all add layers of flavor. For an extra kick, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level to your liking. The key is to season generously and evenly. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Section 4. 4 ways to wing. Baking, frying air, frying and grilling. Now for the main event, cooking the wings. Each method has its own pros and cons. Baking is the easiest and healthiest option. Toss your wings in a little oil and bake them in a preheated oven until golden brown and crispy. Deep frying gives you the crispiest wings. Be careful with hot oil. Use a thermometer to ensure the oil is at the right temperature. Air fryers are a game changer. They give you that crispy fried texture with less oil. Just toss your wings in your favorite seasoning and air fry until golden. Grilling adds a smoky flavor that's out of this world. Make sure your grill is hot and clean. Grill the wings over medium heat, turning occasionally for that perfect char. No matter which method you choose, the key is to cook the wings until they're cooked through and no longer pink inside. Use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Section 5. Sauce Boss. From classic buffalo to sweet and spicy adventures. The sauce is what makes a buffalo wing sing. The classic buffalo sauce is a simple combination of hot sauce and melted butter. But don't be afraid to experiment. Mix honey or brown sugar into your buffalo sauce for a sweet and spicy kick. Toss your wings in melted butter, garlic powder, and grated Parmesan cheese. You can't go wrong with BBQ sauce. Choose your favorite and toss those wings until they're coated in smoky goodness. The best way to sauce your wings is to toss them in a large bowl while they're still hot. This helps the sauce coat every nook and cranny. Don't be shy with the sauce. We're going for maximum flavor here. Section 6. Serving up a wing masterpiece. You've cooked your wings to perfection. Now it's time to serve them up. Arrange your wings on a platter lined with lettuce leaves for a touch of freshness. Don't forget the dipping sauces. Ranch or blue cheese dressing are classic choices. Carrot and celery sticks add a refreshing crunch. For a truly epic wing experience, provide plenty of napkins. Things are about to get messy. Gather your friends and family, crank up the music, and enjoy the fruits, or should we say wings, of your labor. Section 7. Spread your wings and fly. Congratulations, wing master. You've learned the secrets to making delicious buffalo wings at home. Now it's time to spread your wings and fly. Experiment with different cooking methods, sauces, and seasonings. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. The most important ingredient is to have fun. And when you found your perfect wing recipe, Share it with the world. After all, good food is meant to be shared. So what are you waiting for? Get cooking and enjoy the deliciousness that is a perfectly made buffalo wing. Happy eating.